featuring changes to the crankshaft, connecting rods, timing chain drive and torsional vibration dampers, as well as new fuel injectors and a reduced compression ratio. An uprated 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 making 620 horsepower and 604 lb-ft of torque is at the heart of the new Panamera Turbo S model, which replaces the previous Panamera Turbo 550 horsepower and 567 lb-ft. This new engine enables the Panamera Turbo S sedan and Sport Turismo models to run from 0 to 60 miles per hour, using launch control, in 2.9 seconds 3.0 seconds for the Panamera Turbo S Executive, 0.5 seconds quicker than the previous Panamera Turbo models. All Panamera Turbo S models reach a top track speed of 196 miles per hour. The twin-turbo V8 in the sporty Panamera GTS, 473 horsepower and 457 lb-ft, benefits from a 20 horsepower increase compared to the previous model, and its throttle calibration is tuned to resemble the responsiveness and finesse of a naturally aspirated engine even more closely. Panamera 4 SE Hybrid, 2020, Porsche AG. At the same time, Porsche is expanding its hybrid offering with a new plug-in hybrid model for the Panamera model range, the Panamera 4 SE Hybrid. An electric motor paired with a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine results in a system power of 552 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. The Panamera 4 SE Hybrid sedan can reach 60 miles per hour using launch control in 3.5 seconds, and has a top track speed of 185 miles per hour, offering similar performance to the previous 550 horsepower Panamera Turbo. For the 2021 model year, all Panamera e-hybrid models now feature a 27% larger hybrid battery capacity, up to 17.9 kWh from 14.1 kWh previously, as well as recalibrated drive modes to maximize the performance and efficiency of the powertrain. The standard Panamera models now feature a 2.9-liter twin-turbo engine making 325 horsepower, replacing the previous 3.0-liter single-turbo unit. Subtle updates enhance styling of 2021 Panamera models. The new generation of Panamera is characterized by a number of styling updates. All Panamera models now feature the Sport Design front facade, previously optional, as standard, further sharpening the front design of the car. A redesigned Sport Design package, either with or without carbon fiber, will be available as an upgrade. A new continuous light strip spreads out across the rear of the car, seamlessly connecting the two tail lights, while the lower rear fascia sports new diffuser fins. A new 20-inch wheel design and two new 21-inch wheel designs are available. The Panamera GTS stands out with an updated front and rear Sport Design fascia in satin black, along with the GTS-specific satin black 20-inch Panamera design wheels and exclusive design tinted taillights, as well as black lettering and model designations. Standard on the GTS, the Sport exhaust system has been designed to emphasize the emotional rumble of the V8 engine and is available on the Panamera Turbo S. Underscoring their impressive performance figures, the new Panamera Turbo S variants are fitted with a model-specific front fascia that features larger air intakes and new Turbo S-specific front light signature. As before, most powertrains are offered in the sedan, Sport Turismo, and executive body styles, the latter providing a particularly extensive amount of rear seat room due to its 5.9-inch longer wheelbase. Also of note, two new colors, cherry red metallic and truffle brown metallic. Interior. With a high degree of comfort and connectivity, the interior of the new Panamera has also been updated with a newly designed multifunction sport steering wheel with shift paddles. The Panamera Turbo S comes standard with a new GT Sport steering wheel with shift paddles wrapped in leather, and is optional on other Panamera models. Following the GTS tradition, the GT Sport steering wheel, along with many other interior areas of the Panamera GTS, are covered in race text. Panamera and Panamera 4 SE hybrid models come standard with 8-way electrically adjustable comfort seats with driver memory package, while the Turbo S models are equipped with 14-way electrically adjustable comfort seats with memory. Appropriate to its performance and enthusiast-focused nature, the Panamera GTS comes standard with 18-way electrically adjustable adaptive sport seats. Both the 14-way comfort seats and 18-way adaptive sport seats are optional on other Panamera models. The center console features the familiar 12.3-inch center touchscreen, and continues to offer extensive connectivity including online navigation, real-time traffic information and a Wi-Fi hotspot. The Panamera Turbo S is also fitted with a 14-speaker, 710-watt Bose registered surround sound system with separate subwoofer is standard, optional on other Panamera models, while a 21-speaker, 1,455-watt Burmester 3D high-end surround system with an active 400-watt subwoofer can be optionally ordered for all variants. Recalibrated chassis systems, a new generation of tires and powerful brakes. The latest Panamera has been fine-tuned specifically for each model. From sharp and composed on the standard model to performance focused on the GTS and Turbo S standard on every Panamera. The adjustable Porsche Active Suspension Management System features an updated calibration for its adaptive dampers, resulting in a further increase in ride quality. The steering is also recalibrated to sharpen feedback and further increase responsiveness. New Panamera achieves lap record on the Nürburgring Nordschleife lap record for Porsche 4-door sedan in the executive cars category, more matching its impressive engine performance. The Panamera Turbo S is fitted with the Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control Sport Roll Stabilization System PDCC Sport PTV Plus Porsche Torque Vectoring rear axle steering, 21-inch 911 turbo design wheels, and Porsche Ceramic Composite Brakes PCCB as standard, all of which can be optionally ordered on other Panamera models. The PCCB rotors on the Panamera Turbo S measure 420 mm in front and 410 mm in the rear, and are fitted with yellow or black brake calipers based on customer request. Working in harmony with all of these updated systems is a new generation of tires that offer both increased grip and lower rolling resistance compared to the previous generation. For the first time, an ultra-high performance summer tire is available on Panamera models that allows all of the chassis and suspension systems to work at its highest level of capability. Extensive available assistance features. All 2021 Panamera models are now equipped with lane keep assist including traffic sign recognition as standard. Using a camera, the system detects divider line markings on the road and aids the driver to stay in lane by making corrective steering inputs active at speeds above 40 miles per hour. Traffic sign recognition also uses a camera and navigation data to detect road signs, and displays them in the instrument cluster. Like the previous model, the new Panamera can optionally be further equipped with a host of assistance systems, including a head-up display, night vision assist, lane change assist, surround view, and Porsche InnoDrive with adaptive cruise control.